We are going to demonstrate the Mrs. Kisses setup for an A to B cup size. She is a 32B, and today we are going to be doing the shallow plunge bra. For every Mrs. Kisses bra, the logo is always on the right side of your body, and when you place that paddle on the side of your breast and pull the other breast in, you want to make sure that you are evenly distributing the pressure around the paddle on the side of your breast. As you will see, if the paddles are worked too far out from your breast, you're going to experience some gapping that goes on in the front and too much pressure digging in towards the back of your breast. For smaller breasts, it is recommended that the paddles are worked in further than normal, just so that way you aren't experiencing any digging or bulging happening on the side, which can cause some discomfort. If she works the paddles in too much, this will cause some bulging and unnecessary digging in the front of your breast, which will not create a natural and flush look once the pad is placed on there. Now that we remove the bra and work the paddles out from our body just a little bit, this will be the perfect adjustment for her 32B cup size. You can also push the paddles in just a little bit to tighten up and get that really secure fit. For A to B cup sizes, we do recommend the seamless Petite Biogel pads, as these are going to be the perfect amount of fullness and roundness on the side and also give you the extra security of being sticky to the side of your breast instead of just grippy feeling. The Biogel pads are sweat-proof and water resistant, so once it is stuck to the skin, it should not move around. To practice fitting the bra, we recommend leaving the plastic over the stickiness, just so that way you can get the adjustment and placement down pat without it sticking to you as well. We are going to begin with placing the pads onto the paddles. First, you are going to insert it from the top through the slit, making sure that when you insert it, you are turning the pad down towards the ground, where you should notice a triangle going on with inside of the paddle on the inside. Once you have the pads properly placed onto your paddles, you may now remove the plastic off of the Biogel so that way the pad can stick onto the side of your breast. To begin, you can start with whichever side you are most comfortable with. You will place that pad down onto the side of your breast. With that hand, you are going to reach over, pull that other breast in, and place the bra onto the other side of your breast. Once properly placed, the bra should look like this and create a nice round natural look on the side of your breast. As you can see, her nipple is covered from the pad. The bra is a frontless design, so for full nipple coverage if needed, we recommend nipple pasties. The Biogel pads are super sticky and will ensure a secure and comfortable fit. If the bra is not adjusted properly and you experience some bulge in the front of the breast as shown now, this means that you need to work the bra forward towards the nipple just a tad bit. If you are experiencing the bra being too low below your breast and you get that bulge at the top of the breast, you need to work the bra up towards the ceiling just a tad bit. And if the bra is too far forward, you will experience a gap in between the front of your breast and the bra itself. While adjusting the bra back into its proper position, as you can see, the smallest adjustments do make the biggest difference. You will always hold the breast at the nipple area. Do not lift the breast, but hold it in its natural shape and grab the pad and paddle securely, moving the bra back and up towards the ceiling. Now that it is properly placed, you should feel very secure and comfortable with the bra on. We're going to begin placing the bra on again, just ensuring that the paddles are secure enough in and also worked in enough to where you won't experience any gapping or unnecessary bulging on the side of your breast. Placing that first side, as you can see, she reaches over, pulls that second side in, and once that is properly placed on there, the Biogel is going to stick to your skin. Perfect for sensitive skin if you're hot, sweaty, or have a more highly active lifestyle. If any adjustments are needed, as you can see on the right side of the camera, always hold the breast at the nipple area and move the bra around accordingly. With her placement, the nipple is being covered by the pad itself, but we do recommend nipple pasties for full coverage. When picking which plunge is best for you, make sure to pay attention to the neckline of your outfit. This is with the Mrs. Kisses bra on after putting the shallow plunge bra on with the seamless Petite pads. As you can see, the neckline is plunging down below the cleavage line, but it is not low enough to where the moderate or the deep plunge is needed. The shallow plunge bra bar should rest roughly 1 to 2 inches below the bottom of your breast line. As she removes the bra off of the breast, you will see her breasts go back into their natural state before the Mrs. Kisses bra. The Mrs. Kisses moderate plunge bra is going to be perfect with any neckline as seen right here that plunges about 2 to 4 inches below the bottom of your breast. This is after with the bra on, and as you can see, she'll slip the bra off, and this is the before. For a more dramatic neckline, the Mrs. Kisses deep plunge bra is going to be perfect for you. This is after with the bra on. This gives a great illusion for any deep plunging neckline to the bottom of the belly button or below for that no bra look in the front. As always, do not hesitate to reach out for help.